And at some point, did you have an opportunity to work with James Mworia?
Yes, I was selected to be a strategy associate, where I had almost unfettered access to the man himself.
Okay. How was it? How is it to work with him very closely?
At the starting point, it was very intense, but soon after, you get to know the man behind the role that is the CEO.
Yeah.
And he's very accessible, and he's open to any ideas that you may have, regardless of what role you're in.
Yeah.
So it was quite interesting working with him.
You said intense.
Yes.
Help us understand, how intense can it be?
How intense it was, I can just give you an example. There's this one time we were sitting in a meeting and he wanted to review something, but before he could review it, there was a lot of actions that needed to be taken on by various people, close to a team of like 5. And he looked at his watch, looked back up and said, "I'll be back at 3. Let's meet then and discuss." And that was at 1. So that was just one of the examples that we had. We've had late nights with him there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was quite something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're not the same guy who came in 3 years ago?
Of course not.
Yeah.
Of course not. I came in there with just my certificate and my ability to learn.
Yeah.
And what I've learned from him and from people who associate with him,
yeah,
it can't be quantified in any way, shape or form.
Yeah.
Yeah.